There are about 200 asphalt core dams in the world. However, this will be the second asphalt core dam in the United States and by far the tallest.
The technology is proven out over the course of 60 or so years so far in terms of what's in practice in the industry. Dams continue to perform like the day they were constructed, or in some cases actually better. We did this test fill section at the end of June, very beginning of July. There's a combination of the construction methods that we want to make sure produce the same product every time. The materials themselves we test in the lab, but then we also test in the scale of a test section where we actually build the thing out, because every dam is different. Every setting's a little bit different. The contractor and their specialty subcontractor, Valo, for the asphalt will generate a report off of their laboratory testing. We've got QA doing a certain amount of duplicate testing. And so over the course of the next month or so to 2 months, we should get to the point where we're comfortable with all the means and methods plus the materials so that they can actually get started on the dam itself on the plinth there in the center of the valley.
The main dam at Chimney Hollow was not always planned to be an asphalt core dam. When we started the design of Chimney Hollow, we realized that there was not enough clay in the valley to build a clay core rock-fill dam, similar to what you see at Horsetooth or Carter Lake. We wanted to build a safe dam. We also wanted to minimize our disturbance to the public. As we got more and more into the geotech investigation, the clay core option looked like we were going to be driving trucks up county roads to deliver off-site clay to the project, and we didn't want to have that kind of disturbance on the public. So at that point, we opened up an alternative analysis. Our engineer recommended the asphalt core dam based on a number of reasons. That recommendation was put forward to the Colorado State Engineer's Office, Division of Dam Safety, as well as to an independent project review board, and they concurred that the asphalt core dam was the best dam for this project. We ended up hiring Barnard Construction, who teamed with Wallow out of Switzerland. They're a Swiss-based company that has built asphalt core dams all over the world.
The asphalt itself is effectively impermeable to water, whereas the clay, you still have flow through it. Basically, when you kind of entomb it in the center of the dam, you move the asphalt away from the solar radiation, the freeze thaw, all these things that actually put a bunch of forces and age the asphalt. It means that it basically stays in the same condition you place it in for decades or hundreds of years potentially.